Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. So it's 11 o'clock.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. It's 11 o'clock. We start the class. Okay. So, children, we are doing just a minute. Okay. Take out your notebooks. Take out page number 115 in your textbooks. Page number 115. Page number 115 from your textbook. And take out notebook also. The topic is secret messages. Children, can you tell me where we use the secret messages?
Army.
Yes.
In
Where we use the secret messages?
missions,
Missions
Yes, ma'am.
and where we use Lakshya? Any other places where we use the secret
Ma'am, in
messages?
bank. Ma'am, in
Bank. Okay.
ma'am, in store.
Viha, Vedi,
Ma'am, in
uh,
store. Ma'am,
those. Wait a
in
minute. Wait
store.
a minute. Viha, you don't know your class timing. Vedi, every day you don't know your class time. My dear, I will start my class on time, then you will suffer. You will have a loss with your studies, not I. Am I clear? It's up to you now.
Ma'am, in
So,
stores.
in
Hello, ma'am.
stores, yes,
In agents are there na? So agents. So
agents,
they use the code.
yes. See, somewhere where we don't want to disclose the actual thing, we use the code, right? When we go to buy something, the shopkeepers also write the code at the back of the wrapper. And why? Because they don't want to disclose the actual price. Am I clear? So when we don't want to actually discuss the actual thing, then we use the code. And code can be of any type of code, but the person, the one who is putting a code, know the rule of a code. जो कोड लगा रहा है, जो कोड, जैसे कि आप कोड कहाँ लगाते हैं, बैग्स में भी लगाते हैं कोड. समटाइम देयर इज अ लॉक इन द बैग, देयर यू पुट 000 लॉक. वो आपको पता है, नो वन एल्स नोस. यस. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? Lakshya, sit properly. Kritika, lower down your hand please. Notification is coming and it's disturbing me. So when you keeping a, lower down your hand, yes, when you keeping a code for something, about that code rule, you know, right? Same way, there are different type of codes. So today we will learn how to write the codes for the messages, and then we will learn how to decode also the codes if you know the rule. Suppose in your textbook it is given, what are you doing? Girl is saying, okay, let me see. It looked like a secret message. 7, 15, 15, 4, 14, 9, 7, 8, 20. तो numbers में है. I am trying to read the note my friend gave me, but I cannot understand it, the boy is saying. So Yamini explained the rule. Numbers have the used letters, right? If you have a letters, उनके numbers होते हैं. A का 1, B का 2, C का 3, and for D4 and so on, right? So the table which is given in the purple in your textbook, please complete that table with the numbers, alphabets and the numbers. Write it fast in your textbook.
Ma'am, we did this yesterday.
tomorrow.
Yeah,
Yesterday.
last day we have done, yes. So completed everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I know
Okay,
just great message.
now it's written, the numbers, it is written of 7, 15, 15, 4, 14, 9, 7, 8, 20. तो आप इसका सीक्रेट मैसेज निकाल सकते हैं. व्हाट इज द मैसेज गिवन? व्हाट इज द अल्फाबेट फॉर 7? A B C
G,
D
G.
E F G.
Ma'am, G.
G. For 15,
G, ma'am.
O.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. O two times will come. What is for D?
D.
For
D.
D. And 14?
N.
N. For 9?
Good night. Ma'am, good night.
O.
Good night.
Ma'am, NIGHT. Good night.
Hello, ma'am. O.
N, I,
G,
G,
GHT.
H, T. So
Good
the
night.
message is coming. Good night. Here the rules were related to the alphabet, so आपने easily निकाल दिया. But there are some different rules also for the codes.
Excuse me.
Suppose, yes,
We have to write this in the notebook.
you can write. Write. In the textbook also, if you have a space, please write it. Now with the same rule of alphabets and numbers, if you want to write good morning in the code, how you will write students good morning in the code? Please write it in your textbook. The space is given. Please write in the text. The space is given in your books. For good morning, how you will write the code for good morning?
Ma'am,
Yes, Arav.
can I say? Ma'am, code is
7,
15,
15,
15,
15,
4,
4,
13,
13,
15,
15,
18,
18,
14,
14,
9,
9.
14,
Then N is there, na? 14. And G.
and 7. 7.
Is he correct, students?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this way we have coded the good morning also. Can we code my name? If I write my name, RENU.
Ma'am,
Can
can
you
I
please
say?
code it with this? Yes.
Say,
can say?
Yes, Hare.
ma'am, it is 18,
18,
5,
5,
14,
14.
21.
For you, it is 21.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it like this? So you know
Yes.
how to code with the alphabets with the numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This is clear.
R is the 70.
R is 18. How to code the alphabets with the numbers is clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, come down. If we
Ma'am, can
change
we
the
write
rule, you can write your name also in your notebook and write the code for that. Now, next is if we change the rule and write 1 in place of B, 3 in place of D, and so on, then how we will write let us dance?
Ma'am, we have done.
B का कोड 1 है, D का कोड जो 4 होना चाहिए वो 3 है, एक नंबर बैक चल रहे हैं हम. सो आप लेट अस डांस को कैसे लिखेंगे? लेट अस डांस का कोड बताओ.
Ma'am, this we have done.
Yes,
Let us dance we have done.
No, ma'am.
Yes, Moin Kuledi will speak. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. L का actual 12 है, पर हमें 12 नहीं लिखना है. So we will write 11 at the place of L.
Okay.
E
for 4. E5. 4.
E4 will come because
Can
E
I-
is actually 5. No,
19.
I have given you chance, no?
19.
T19 will.
Ma'am, P19. Ma'am,
What is the actual code for T? 20, तो एक नंबर पीछे. What is the actual code for you?
20.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U. It's 21, so it will come 20.
20.
What is for S?
S, it is 18.
19.
And see, but we have done this yesterday.
Yes. Here, I know what are you doing with the camera. I know how minutes late are you in my class. Every day, I don't know what happened to you now, or you will listen or not listen. I don't know. Here, I'm talking to you. You are 10 minutes late in my class, and still you are not stable in your class. You are moving your camera here and there. What will be for S, students?
18.
18.
What will be for D?
3.
A,
0.
0. N,
13.
N का 13 will come. And for C,
2.
2.
and for E,
4.
4. So this was the another rule, right? Ab main same way. Now I'm giving you one more example. Suppose my name is there, and the rule now, as I explained, yesterday also, at the place of R, I'm writing S with the code. So what will be the next letter? अगर आप observe, my name
V.
Yes. So this way I have given a code to my name. Okay, I had a word with my friend. I will call my. Please mute yourself, Hare.
Ma'am, I can't understand this.
Mute yourself. Someone mic is on. Pritika, mute. I have given a code to my name is I am writing a one letter after my name. R की जगह S लिखूंगी मैं, E की जगह F, N की जगह O और U की जगह V. So can you observe what code I have given to my name?
Yes, ma'am.
हो सकता है मैं एक लेटर पीछे का कोड भी दे दूं अपने नाम को.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? If now, suppose now I have made a different code. अगर टॉल होगा तो मैं उसको रेड बोलूंगी, राइट? शॉर्ट होगा तो मैं उसको ब्लू बोलूंगी, राइट? These are the codes I have given. If I have something at my place tall, so I will say red. And this code I have already explained to the person जिसके साथ मुझे discuss करना है, और I know. So this rule आपको पता होगा, then only you will able to do it. Tall is red, short is blue. So if I say bring blue dress. So what you will bring?
Short dress.
Bring short dress. So blue की जगह जो कलर था उसकी जगह मैंने क्या दिया है? Short को कोड दिया था. अगर some shop person is customer is coming to me and telling me short dress दिखाओ, and I will say to my the person who are helping me at the shop, I will say go and bring the blue dress. So he will understand, no, because this code is I have already explained to them कि अगर मैं blue बोलूं तो means आपको short लाना है, अगर मैं tall बोलूं means आपको red color का लाना है.
Ma'am, if you say red, then we have.
हाँ, red reverse भी हो सकता है ना इसका. We can call it reverse also. ना red लाऊं तो tall लाना, blue बोलूं तो short. Short बोलूं तो blue लाना, tall बोलूं तो red लाना. So these are the codes which we are making for our things. Like suppose if I say India is a beautiful country, and I have given a code of this word. Instead of writing the sentence, I have given a code. Instead of calling this complete sentence, India is a beautiful country, so I have given a code 52197.
Ma'am, I can explain.
Yes, Kritika.
Ma'am, in all the letters, which is first, that number you have written.
Yes, India is having 5 letters, is having 2, A is 1, beautiful is having 9 letters, and country is having 7. So where I don't want to disclose about the name of India, if I can use 52197, so the person who knows about my code rule can easily understand that this is this one. So with the same rule, क्या आप next बता सकते हैं? Girls का code क्या होगा? खाली girls word है. 5. Smart का code क्या होगा? Same rule के according.
5.
5. Rich, RICH, rich का कोड क्या होगा?
4.
अगर आप ये रूल फॉलो कर रहे हैं तो आप बाकी के आंसर्स दे सकते हैं. तो आपके एग्जाम्स में ये ऐसा ही है. मोइन को ले दी, म्यूट योर माइक प्लीज. सो इन योर एग्जाम इट विल कम लाइक दिस ओनली. आपको वन एग्जाम्पल गिवन होगा, उसको फॉलो करके नेक्स्ट का आंसर आपको देना होगा कोड में. राइट? एम आई क्लियर? Now I am giving you more practice of the code. Code can be made in the numbers, in alphabets, in signs and symbols also. Right? Signs and symbols, you know, कि हम उनको कुछ signs भी दे सकते हैं. Wait a minute. Yes. Just a minute.
Ma'am, after this also maths class. No?
Yeah. After this also there is a maths class. Come in the activity classroom. Let me take the attendance for a minute, then I will continue. Yeah, Moksh, Harsh, Keshwani, please turn on your camera. Can you children make the word with the code and find for the other? Can anyone try?
Ma'am, can I?
Word. Wait, listen my question. Word or a sentence. You can make a word or a sentence and make your own code and then find for the other. Yes, Hare, can you try?
Bring a red car.
Bring a red car. What is the code for this?
Bring a short car.
Bring a
Short car.
short card means at the place of red you are using short word. अब इसी के बेसिस पे, इसी रूल के बेस पे can you ask one more question from us?
Okay. Bring a green glass. Can I type in a chat box a code?
Yes. Code and the write the sentence. See, suppose I am giving you one more example. umbrella है, UMBRELLA. Is spelling of umbrella is correct?
Ma'am.
Yes, Viha, I will ask.
Yes.
And in place of umbrella, if I am writing this word, so can you tell me, मैं boys को कैसे लिखूंगी कोड में? Who will tell me how? If I have written umbrella in a code, yes, Mohammed.
YSBO.
Can you tell me, Mohammed?
Yes, ma'am. 2.
2, क्यों?
But 1 minute, ma'am.
I have written umbrella in this way in a code.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, ma'am. YS.
SYOB.
OB. YS.
If you observe कि मैं उल्टी जा रही थी इसके अंदर, here also I will go reverse. SYOB. Clear? Arav Apani has also given one example. Let me check the chat box. I am a boy. Yes, very good, Arav Apani. The code he has making for I am a boy is 1, 2, 1, 3 because he has counted the alphabets and given. So on the basis of same rule, he can ask us from the different question also. Yes, we speak. No, I have not understood your code.
A cute dog it is.
A cute dog. So at the place of C, you have used this letter, and at the place of you have written the at the rate. So A and C. So can you ask on the same rule? आपको कुछ और भी तो बताना होगा ना, उसी rule पे आपको next question भी बनाना होगा. Yes, Iya, please explain.
Ma'am, we can write I am going to Goa.
Okay. What will be the code for that?
I am going to home.
Home. So in place of Goa, you have used home.
Yes.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Can I tell
Bring
one?
a diamond. Answer is bring a reboot. Okay, who is writing? Jignesh, can you try?
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I?
I have written a code, 2 codes in chat box.
Bring a green paper. Green is long and the red is short. So bring a green paper. Bring a red paper for the short one. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
There is the first.
Can I give one?
Yes, Vedi.
Z,
Z,
leave space, then Y, X,
Y, X.
then leave space W,
W,
then leave space V, U, T, S, R, Q.
V, U.
Yes.
V, U,
T,
T,
S,
S,
R,
R,
Q,
Q,
P,
P,
O,
O,
N.
N.
Yes.
Okay.
M.
M,
Then leave space, then L, K, J, I.
L, K, J, I. Wait a minute, Vedi, if this is complete.
Yes.
See, children, is the Vedi has given a correct question or she has given a code to us?
Ma'am, she has given a code to us.
She has given a code to us. Now, इस code का rule वही जानती है, वही open कर सकती है इसको. Because we are not aware कि J को उसने क्या use किया है, X, Y के लिए क्या use किया है. So she knows about the rule of the code. When she open this code, it is called decoding.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Now there are two words, one is coding, another is decoding. Coding means आप कोड करते हो, आप कोड खुद बना रहे हो. Now कोड आपको given है, उसको ओपन कर रहे हो तो आप decode कर रहे हो. Clear? Code is to make a code, decoding is to open a code. Decode karna, this is decoding called. So now what she is doing, she will decode it for us. Yes, Vedi.
I am a beautiful girl.
I for what? This is J for I.
Z for I.
Okay, Z for I, and then
Y for A. X for M.
I am a B E A U T I F U L beautiful.
G.
G I R L. तो ये एक आई क्यों है बेटा?
Which?
This I, L K J I.
Girl, no.
हाँ. So I for Z,
Yeah.
Y for A,
Yeah.
X is M,
Yeah.
W for again A, I am a beautiful, B E A U T I F U L. Finishes here. M is G.
Ma'am, I didn't told I again.
Here is no I.
No.
Okay. See, she has decoded that I am a beautiful girl. Now, out of this information, if I tell you to write the code for...
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait a minute, let me explain. APPLE, according to the codes here given, Apple का कोड आप क्या बनाओगे इसके अकॉर्डिंग जो इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ गिवन है? According to the information given by Vedi ने I am a beautiful girl का कोड ये बनाया था.
Ma'am, I know.
कोड को देखते हुए कि E का U है, B की जगह V,
Can I
X
say?
की जगह W.
Can I say?
Can you make it for beautiful? Yes,
Can I
it
say?
will. For apple.
I can yes, ma'am. Y, then F.
And
No,
I
A,
want
A,
to tell
A.
you, Vedi here, if you are using A 3 times, no, better use the same letter for A. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
See, I give you a suggestion because you will not get confused. Y रख दे हम जहाँ जहाँ A है.
Yes, ma'am.
So is he saying for A is Y and for P?
Then for P, F.
F.
F. One more
And
F.
for L?
Yes, and L,
I.
L, I.
For L,
I.
And
it
then
is
for
not
E
I, it
nothing.
is J.
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 For L, J.
J.
U. Yes, J.
For E,
Nothing, ma'am, no E.
E है ना?
U.
Oh, yes, U.
For E, U.
Excuse me, ma'am. I cannot see your board. I can see your half board.
Ma'am.
Please check now.
Ma'am.
Yes, Hare.
I have written a code in chat box. You have to solve.
I have seen you are writing anything in the chat box, so there is no
It
use.
is a code.
Clear, everyone? The information which is given to us, from the given information we have made in the code for the another word. Yes or no, students? Clear? Now in your textbook, page number 116. Open page number 116.
Excuse me.
Jaggu, Shablu. Yes, tell me, Pritika.
I can tell a code.
No, as I am reading the chapter, no, 116. Shablu and Jaggu are playing a game. They are writing some secret messages. But Kahule is not able to understand them.
Ma'am, your boat is blur.
Now please check.
No, ma'am, you are also clearly visible in your board also.
But Kahure is not able to understand them, so Jagu explained the rule. You see, we have changed each letter by its next letter. That is why we write G in place of F, O in place of N, and so. So yes becomes gift. Y की जगह Z लिखा है, E के जगह F नेक्स्ट लेटर लिखा है, तो S की जगह T. So now there is a code given. Can you decode that code and write the word XF, BSF, GS? Can you please?
Ma'am, 26621.
My dear Aravapani, look into your book, page number 116. Here the code is given to you and you have to find out the meaningful word from the given code. Find out the meaningful word from the given code, the code which is given to you. And the rule of the code, open the code, is write the previous number. X से पहले क्या आता है?
W.
W. F से पहले क्या आता है? E. B से पहले क्या आता है? A. R. F से पहले क्या आता है? E. B से पहले क्या आता है?
F.
S से पहले क्या आता है? R. J से what will come? J before J. I.
E.
Before F. E.
D.
Before O.
N.
N comes. Norman, pay attention here.
D.
What comes before T? T. What comes before T? S. तो जो कोड गिवन था ये वाला X, F, B, S, F, हमने उसको जब डिकोड किया तो दिस मीनिंगफुल वर्ड हैज कम. We are friends. Got it? और हमने डिकोड किस रूल से किया? द रूल हमारे पास गिवन था कि इससे एक लेटर पहले का आप बनाओ. X का बिफोर लेटर क्या है? F का बिफोर लेटर क्या है? Aravapani, now you are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You were giving me any number. I don't know what number you were giving me. Clear everyone? So exam में भी आपके पास name होगा, whatever given code होगा, observe करना है उस code को, उससे ही next number को code और decode करना है. जो information given होगी उसी के base पे आपको follow करना है. Am I clear to you all? What was Kaule's secret message? What did Shalu and Jagu write? Use the same rule to write meet me on the moon. Meet me on the moon का code बनाओ. Because this is meaningful word is given. Shivani, excellent to you today, Shivangini.
Ma'am, sorry.
Where were you the whole time?
Ma'am, in my house light was went and I was connected right now only.
So now it will be very difficult. It's only 1 minute left. Now you come in the activity classroom for the combined class with the C, 4C.
Ma'am, when?
Now at 11:45, I will go in the activity classroom, join the activity classroom.
Okay, ma'am.
Use the same rule to write meet me on the moon. Can you write the code for meet me on the moon, students? Please write. I can see the blank faces. No one is answering.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can.
Meet
Ma'am, can I?
me on the moon. Wait.
Can I?
Who will try? Moin,
Ma'am,
please
can
try.
I, ma'am? Can
Dhwani
I?
got the chance. Dhwani got the chance today. Kritika, you got. Aravapani, you got. Jignesh, you got. Now let me give this chance to other students. Moin Kulezi, please write the code for this. Meet me on the moon.
Meet me on the sun.
हाँ नहीं, my dear, आपको रूल वही फॉलो करना है जो बुक में है. एक लेटर पीछे का.
Can I say?
Ma'am, F.
For place of M, what you will write?
F.
F.
N.
Tell me fast.
Can I say code?
F.
L. F. What will come in place of T? S.
U.
S आएगा ना बेटा. T के बाद पहले वाला वर्ड लेना है. Before, because it is the code, you have to follow the rule of the given textbook. Clear? ऐसे ही me on the moon का भी कोड बना के and you have to discuss me in the next class.
N or F.
L.
N.
My dear, again you telling me the next word. M का next word बता रहे हो आप मुझे. Previous word बता रहे हो.
Hello, ma'am. We have to see.
मैम ई के पहले डी आता है.
Evening.
हाँ, yeah, here also the D will come.
Hello, ma'am. We see E after. We.
No, before. Because the rule is given, no, before follow हो रहा है इस rule में. It is given in your textbook. I am not telling you anything. Everything is given in your textbook, students. Okay? So complete this and show me in the next class. Come in the activity classroom, students. Now I am going to log
I
into
have
the activity
completed.
classroom. Good.
Okay.
Let me
Bye, ma'am.
stop the recording.
Excuse me.